And skull and crossbones.
Why? What is it? Like everyone went, Hi everyone, my name is Donna.
And my name is Joe.
We're gonna introduce this product, Mishima's Crunchy Garlic Chili Sauce.
Basically, this sauce is more popular in more Eastern dishes, so we're gonna see how it pairs with some Western foods.
Think it's gonna be good?
I think it's gonna be great.
Let's try.
So now we have rice. Donna, would you like to put
Yes.
some of the garlic chili sauce on?
It smells really good. I would say it's a little saltier than I thought. So I recommend to put a little before you taste it.
I definitely taste the garlic. It is a subtle spice. You can definitely just eat rice with this stuff on it.
So now we have tried with rice. We're gonna move on to this wheel so we can try with Western food.
The exciting wheel. Oh,
Whoa! You got me
All right,
real
I don't want to
scared.
do shots.
Okay.
Chicken tenders sounds great.
Yes. Ooh.
All right, Donna, what do we have here?
So we have chicken tender, and we have just a garlic chili sauce, and we have this special sauce.
It's an aioli made with the Kewpie mayo mixed with the crunchy garlic. It's probably my favorite thing I've eaten in the last couple days. How does it compare to the fried chicken in Korea?
I would say the spicy fried chicken is sweeter. This one has a little bit more of a spicy taste.
A spicy taste.
Peanut butter jelly!
Peanut butter and jelly. I don't know.
I do know it's gonna be interesting.
I'm gonna say I think it's gonna be bad. It looks like we have toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
And we have the sauce inside already.
Count of three. 1, 2, 3. I like it.
So I knew that it's gonna go well with peanut butter because jelly adds the sweet taste.
You kind of lose the spice. The garlic definitely goes well with the peanut butter.
Yeah, I really encourage everyone to try this at least once in your lifetime.
Same. Thumbs up. Like it.
It's my turn. Here we go. Wow, I got
Okay,
scared for a bit.
better.
Oatmeal! I think it's gonna be interesting. I only try oatmeal with brown sugar.
Or garlic sauce. We have oatmeal in front of us.
Is it like a Western version of ramen?
No, it's not. Since we have it on camera, I am not saying that oatmeal is a Western version of ramen.
Okay.
I'm trying to be open-minded about this. Like the peanut butter and jelly, who knows? But even just mixing this in here after the mix, yes. I mean,
It tastes like Western version of ramen.
it's not terrible.
I think it'll be good for a late night snack because, you know, I sometimes eat oatmeal in the morning and I really like spicy, so I would definitely add spicy garlic sauce.
Really.
Yes. So
Weird.
I'll give it thumbs up.
Even though it's not bad, I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs down. Sorry, oatmeal. Ramen.
Ramen, yes.
We have Sapporo Ichiban's original flavor ramen, and we've put the Mishima.
Garlic sauce.
It has already been added on top. Let's dig in.
All right.
Give it a little mix in there. You know, I feel like I've gotten so addicted to just tasting the garlic chili sauce that I need to eat more of this ramen first.
Noodles. Honestly, prefer without the chili sauce because it has like strong flavor.
Sure.
But if it is just plain noodle without the soup and just add garlic sauce on top, then I would love it.
I think I would have to agree. It's good. I think it mixes in there well, but I don't know if it really does enough to change it.
So it's my turn.
That's right.
I personally want to get avocado egg toast.
All right. And skull and crossbones were the.
Why?
great.
What is it?
All right, we have to rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, great.
What? Oh my God.
I can handle it.
I told you have to keep the eyes closed.
I think if you were looking for a negative reaction for this, you chose the wrong guy, because I'm gonna be just fine. I saw some ice cream. I don't know what
Noodles.
else was in there. Ugh, it doesn't look good, actually. And I think there's one thing that we are missing still.
Yeah, don't forget the garlic sauce. Ta-da. Actually, this is gonna make the taste better.
Sure. All right,
A
all right,
little
that's
bit,
enough.
little
Okay. I'm ready.
How was it?
I just had the chili sauce basically on top. Ugh. Hey,
Yay, kale salad. I eat salad because I need to.
I am in the same boat. I like salad.
Guess what? We're gonna try it with garlic sauce.
I think that'll be okay. If you can call it kale salad, I would say it's just chopped up kale.
It's very Christmassy, don't you think?
I don't think this is gonna be bad. I think it's gonna be pretty good.
Okay, let's try.
Making a mess. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
I think it'd go great on all salads except salads that have like a vinaigrette or like a sweet dressing.
So, is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for me too.
If you combine the chicken tenders with the kale salad, you might have
3 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up. Okay, it's time for a recap. Donna, what was your favorite
Now
of the
that I
day?
think about it, did I say I like pretty much everything?
I think you liked everything.
My favorite was kale salad because I normally don't eat kale by itself, but actually made me enjoy eating it.
What was your least favorite?
Surprisingly, ramen. Maybe I would liked it better if I tried the sauce with the just plain ramen.
My least favorite, I think I'd have to say the oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
If you can't count the blender. I don't think it went well with cinnamon, the sweet and salty. It only worked so far. I would say my favorite, the chicken tenders, hands down. The Kewpie mayo aioli mixed with the crunchy
That was
garlic
really
sauce
good.
was great. As powerful of a taste that this crunchy garlic chili sauce is, it is very versatile. So Donna, where can you find this sauce if you're interested in buying it?
We can find these sauce at Vaughn's.
And at Albertsons.
Yes. I was really surprised it went really well with Western food. I would like to try other Western food with this sauce.
It's like a hamburger.
That would be interesting. I would say pasta. And if you guys have any recommendation, please comment below so we can try more.
All right, thank you, Donna, for your time.
Thank you, Joe.
Yes.
And thank you everyone for watching.
And goodbye.
Bye.